Welcome to Build Fluency for Daily English.
Hello, I am Mio, and today we are going on a family trip, and I feel happy. Mama packed our bags, and Papa has the train tickets. We are ready to go. The street is quiet and clean. We walk to the railway station. It is crowded with people. I hold my father's hand to feel safe. Then we buy some food. I choose a bento box and it looks yummy. We walk to the platform and wait for the train together. I watch the train as it arrives. The train stops slowly. We get on the train carefully. As the train starts moving, I look out of the window. Inside the train, we talk and laugh, share food, and enjoy the view. And the journey feels peaceful. The train moves toward the village. The sun shines softly in the sky.
Subscribe to Build Fluency for confident English communication.